Well, I think that is the interpretation that we not know whether that accord was the family, the actual final result written from him was not to be done until after we got home.
But you agreed to the accord when you were in Gath.
No, this is the accord. It is not a question of agreement in accord. This, it is when we come back home, and I made it. I made a statement. When you come back home, and I make a statement that you about a bull.
Right. Because that's why it was called an accord. An accord means that you had agreed.
No, what accord? No, but then it has to be done in Nigeria before Friday.
So you needed to come home and discuss it.
Unfortunately, when the first people doesn't want to believe it, I was having a serious attack of either fever or whatever it is, and I could not make any decision. No, at home.
Right.
When we arrived in home, and Tojuku was one who then, when he came, he went and made made the statement. He made the statement about the Abu Record. And the governor of the Midwest did Edge. Then rang me at that very early hours of the game. To tell me, he said, "Have you heard?" So I said, "Had not." And what Ojuko said. So I said, "No, I haven't had anything that that happened, but that is the reason why I could not make from this statement, which would have then clearly say exactly what we agree anything about it. And he told me that, oh, we said you are going to move a car, that the military is going to be etc. are going to be controlling now from each from each opposition, for example. And he was what I said today. Is that actually, honestly, is that what me I did too? But he said, yo. So I said, well, honestly, I do not know what that is. So that was different the time, and later on, had to ask the other governors what they think, and they were able to say, well, that is not what it is. So we had to organize a meeting of all the governors, and he was invited to attend so that we can deal with the Akure Accord. And we met at Naifo in Benin. And he did not turn up. And of course, all the secretaries to the government, all the, were there, all the governors were there. He was invited, but of course he said because of security reason, he cannot come. So he didn't come or send anybody. And, we discussed that discussion. And, for example, the permanent, the secretary to the government, the West, did ask, came and appealed to me, as a Christian, please, if we can make sure that that accord, what we agreed is in the true spirit of Aburi. And I told him, as a Christian, I can assure you that that is the way it is going to be. And we had that meeting. In the end, we invited him to come. He did not come. So, and when we ended the meeting, of course, the spirit of Aburi was totally, as it was sort of, I do not know
what accord he was reading, because he came to the meeting with prepared papers, of things that he wanted. And of course, we discuss them one by one, agree on some, disagree on some. Like, for example, to give you one of the major issue, although we say that the military would be zoned, but the control, and then he wanted, those zones to be commanded by the governor. Say you have a military zone in the north, will be commanded by the governor of the ministry. In the east, will be commanded by by him, and military in the west, by this thing. And of course, we did not agree with that one. And certainly it was not one of those agreed. But none of us went there, with any senior official, secretary to the government, or senior, etc. We did not. We just went there, as far as we are concerned, to be able to meet as officers now and then, to agree to be able to get back home and resolve our problem at home. That was, my understanding. But that is not his understanding. And so when we went to NIFO and discussed this, the spirit of Aburi was certainly included. The only thing that I added was that no region, will can succeed